In 2012, Ligchine invented the industry's first large line screed when we introduced our Max Standard machine. It has since become the #1 selling large size boom screed in the world. In 2016, we introduced the Boss 240 machine, which remains the largest, most maneuverable, and affordable mega screed machine in the industry. Our customers immediately lit up our phone lines requesting that we add Boss features to our Max Standard machine. We listened, and in 2017, we're proud to bring you the Max Pro that combines the best of both machines. The Max Pro is durable, powerful, and affordable like our Max Standard machine, but at the same time, it includes many of the amazing Boss 240 features. Universal in our customer feature request list was that the Max Pro needed to address the long-time industry issue of the bigger the machine, the more difficult it becomes to maneuver. Problem solved. The Max Pro includes the industry's traditional 360-degree boom rotation that is great for sitting stationary and rotating to surrounding areas that require screeding. More importantly, we added our patented 360-degree zero-turn drive capability that eliminates the issues of fighting for space with the multitude of mixed trucks, buggies, and work crews. Zero-turn drive capability ensures huge time savings, increased production speeds, and worker safety. The value of Ligshine's independent turret design that allows 360-degree spinning of the boom arm as well as 360-degree spinning of the drive frame will never be more evident than when you are trying to work your way out of a crowded job site. Screed in any direction, drive in any direction, all with the push of a button. We've also added our onboard spray system that applies liquid hardeners or retarders while screeding, thus avoiding the issue of not being able to walk on the concrete until it sets. With the Max Pro, you can apply any additive automatically and eliminate this manual labor. Equally important is that if the batch plant slows down, you can spray retarders on the previously screeded concrete to help prevent cold joints until the batch plant resumes delivery. Last but not least, we've incorporated Parker's newest 7-inch touch control color display screen that results in amazing ease of use and enhanced diagnostic feedback. It displays continuous hydraulic, electronic, power, and system status information, and more importantly, it has the ability to change machine dynamics from the screen. Max Pro is a 100% automatic laser leveling machine, making adjustments at the rate of 10 times per second, resulting in the industry's best FL numbers, easily exceeding FL 50 and higher. And that's true whether you are screeding on grade, slope, or dual slope. The ScreedSaver Max Pro, like all of our screeds, can easily be upgraded at any time to a TOPCon 3D system, capable of screeding contoured surfaces, including parking lots. We are the only company to offer you the choice of 3D systems, including TOPCon's 3D GPS satellite-controlled system that runs a fleet of machines simultaneously, or the extremely affordable TOPCon 3D LPS robotic-controlled system. ScreedSaver Max Pro is a very compact machine measuring less than 6.5 feet wide, 14.5 feet long, and 4.5 feet tall, guaranteeing you access and operation in the tightest of spaces. Max Pro weighs a little over 5,000 pounds with the screed head attached. Just like all of our ScreedSaver machines, you can haul this machine with a pickup truck and trailer combination, avoiding the huge expense of a tractor-trailer rig and a CDL licensed driver. Arrive at the site and drive the Max Pro off the trailer in the forward drive position. You'll note that we include a screed head pivot post, which means you don't have to remove the head for transport, as you're able to spin the head under the machine frame during transit. Should you choose to remove the screed head, the good news is that 2 men with a wrench will have the head removed or reattached in less than 10 minutes. Drive to the job site with ease as a result of 4-wheel stability combined with proportional front-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering. If your job sites are typically difficult to access, or if you operate in a lot of sand subbase, you may wish to consider upgrading the Pro machine to the XT version, which replaces the front wheels with a set of aggressive all-terrain tracks. When you arrive at the pour site, quickly set your lasers, rotate your boom to optimal screeding position, and rotate your independent drive frame in any driving direction desired, taking advantage of the Max Pro design that makes this the most maneuverable screed machine ever offered to the market. If you're pouring indoors or at night, you'll really appreciate the high-intensity LED lighting system that will light up the screeding area like it's daytime. Ligchine International 100% designs and manufactures the patented ScreedSaver Max Pro machine in the USA, integrating materials from some of the world's most prestigious companies. Max Pro is built like a tank, with over a ton of solid plate steel, including 3/4 inch and 1 inch thick frame steel that is 100% welded together. Machine life will never be an issue. We power Max Pro with Kubota's newly introduced D902 series diesel engine. This liquid-cooled, powerful 25 horsepower D-rated engine is already Tier 4, Stage 3 compliant and features automatic throttle control for exceptional fuel economy. Every ScreedSaver ships with 2 Trimble LR30 laser receivers with built-in 360-degree range of sight. We incorporate a state-of-the-art hydraulic distribution manifold with machine functions controlled by Parker proportional valves that light up when activated. Every Max Pro screed includes dual auto-leveling valves that offer backup redundancy in the unlikely event of a valve failure. Reliable operation is ensured as a result of a fan-cooled hydraulic fluid system that incorporates multiple filters to maintain purity of the fluid. Continuous diagnostic feedback is shared with our Parker display. All electronic functions are protected by a readily accessible Cooper-Bussmann fuse and relay box. Perhaps one of the most exciting features of ScreedSaver Max Pro is our Parker display that is continuously monitoring every function of the machine. Display features include a password-protected keyless machine anti-theft feature, an adjustable screed and drive speed control for varying operator experience levels, engine RPM adjustment and total machine status feedback at all times, engine hour and job hour tracking, sophisticated diagnostics displayed down to the individual hydraulic valve functions and hydraulic manifold layout displays. Ligchine ScreedSaver machines are the only remote-controlled screeds in the world. Our construction-grade wireless system controls every machine function up to a distance of 200 feet. Furthermore, most of the functions of the remote system are fully automatic, including downrigger memory placement, automatic vibration on and off, and a completely automatic laser leveling system that, when activated, doesn't even require you to watch the laser leveling process. The wireless radio with its simple paddle controls and push buttons is so intuitively marked and organized, you'll be totally comfortable in a matter of a few hours. Wireless remote operation allows the operator to be part of the crew. You can clear obstacles and supervise every element of the job, resulting in huge quality improvements as well as productivity gains. At the heart of every ScreedSaver is our super flat screed head that includes an easily adjustable plow, double flight hardened steel long life auger, and a durable extruded vibrator finishing blade. The Max Pro screed head has been redesigned to withstand the rigors of a large screed. The screed head measures 12.5 feet wide, yet it weighs less than 300 pounds. Ligchine also offers an optional 10.5 foot wide paver screed head that incorporates a steel roller placed in between the auger and the finish blade. This versatile screed head is perfect for paving, impervious concrete applications, as well as super flat floors. Every Max Pro screed head is fitted with a stainless steel spray bar with interchangeable spray tips for varying distribution volumes. The Max Pro also includes a spray pump and a 6-gallon onboard additive holding tank. Pour your concrete high and let this powerful machine do the work of a crew of rakers while it plows, levels, smooths, and consolidates in a single pass. ScreedSaver Max Pro is a high production machine, Combine its 16-foot reach with a 12.5-foot head, and you'll be screeding up to 200 square feet per pass. Depending on site variables, mixed plant capacity, and truck scheduling, you could be screeding up to 7,000 square feet per hour. Max Pro may be a large size screed, but due to its compact size and amazing maneuverability, it completes smaller pours just as readily as the world's largest concrete pours. For most pours, your crew size will be a 4-man crew with the Max Pro operator, a raker for loading low spots, and a couple of guys to float the edges and stick-ups. Labor force reduction is critical to your bottom line. Quality demands for flat work have never been greater. Boom-operated screeds provide superior concrete results for many reasons. Only a boom-operated machine is capable of pulling 4-inch slump concrete. The Max Pro uses the fulcrum weight of the boom to apply over 1,000 pounds of down pressure on the concrete for proper compression. Ultimately, it is the great strength and stability of a boom machine positioned on fixed downriggers that eliminates the need for an expensive pre-rake machine and results in world-class F numbers. Furthermore, a boom screed reaching out over the concrete avoids the drive-in machine issues of tire tracks to fill and invisible collapsed wire mesh or rebar chairs. No machine has value unless you are confident in its safety. Wireless remote control keeps the operator on the ground where he can see what's going on, as he's always looking forward, as opposed to a drive-in screed where the driver must constantly be looking backwards while driving, or a seated boom screed where the driver has limited visibility as a result of the seating position on top of the machine. The Pro is a stationary boom screed positioned outside the concrete, thus avoiding invisible buried obstacles that can be a threat to the machine, the operator, and those around the machine. Because boom screeds operate outside the concrete, you'll save time and money with faster cleanup, reduced maintenance, and fewer repairs. Ligchine International warrants your ScreedSaver Max Pro machine for a full year. Your maintenance under normal use is greasing a few fittings on job day and otherwise limited to seasonal fluid and filter changes. The bottom line with the ScreedSaver Max Pro is that you can own the industry's most maneuverable and feature-loaded screed at a price significantly less than comparable sized machines. The ScreedSaver return on investment model is unequaled in the industry. Thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon.